to do a walk. And we're staying in the Flinders Ranges, and we're staying in a park called Rawnsley Park Station, I think. Let me see. Yes. We're doing this little walk here. It's like 2.5 hours, I think. It's this purple one from
That dot.
that dot.
That red one?
To there.
We're in Flinders Ranges and we're doing a walk today in sort of from Wilpena Pound, the main area, to Hills Homestead it's called. Beautiful scenery. I think this might be something called Sliding Rock coming up. About a 7k walk. It's pretty warm today, so probably left it a bit late in the day, but it's still beautiful out here, luckily. All good.
I don't think this was 500 metres.
Remember, it's up, so we've only done about 300. Spoken about this too much on the trip so far, but a lot of people have asked what the kids are doing for school, and they're actually doing distance education through Sydney Distance Ed. So they send out the work.
It's on here.
So they're doing a bit of schoolwork before dinner to try and fit it in. It's a good thing, we can fit it in whenever we need to, but struggling to keep up at the moment just because there's so much other activity. But not a bad classroom tonight. Have a look at it. Pretty cool, isn't it, girls?
Mm-hmm.
What would you rather be doing? Be here, having to do schoolwork, or be in a classroom?
Here.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. So we're at Rawnsley Park Station for the next 5 nights. We've already done 1 night. This is night 2. In Flinders Ranges, just absolutely spectacular. Like, we've got such a good site with all the sunsets and stuff. It's just amazing. Pretty cool, isn't it, Till?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did we do today?
We went for a walk, and then we checked out the visitor centre, and yeah.
What else?
We squashed an emu.
Yeah, we hit an emu, didn't we?
Mhm.
Yeah, well, he hit us, more to the point. He crashed into the side of the car, which is pretty sad to see, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Put a bit of a dint in the car, but anyway, it's going to happen at some point, I guess. But yeah, poor emu, that was not a nice thing to see, and have to drag him or her off the road. But anyway, got a battle scar on the Prado, so. So we've just started today doing Skytrek at Willow Spring Station, which is a full day driving. Excellent. Sheep speeing. Any sheep around. Beautiful property. Oh, there's the spring. There's not much water in it.
Not at all. The sheep are literally walking.
sky track, and this is called the Valley of the Pyramids. It does look like it, doesn't it, girls?
That's incredible.
Yeah.
There look lots of pyramids.
Crazy.
Looks like there's 1, 2, 3,
Wow.
4, 5, 6.
Amazing.
Yeah, I don't know how it's choking down. I'm trying to see. Probably see it on the video, but we just climbed in the car up a pretty gnarly track up to Prominent Lookout in Willow Spring Stations. Definitely worth, well, not that we climbed up, we drove up, but definitely worth the drive up. The view is just spectacular, insane. Probably doesn't really do it justice on the camera actually, but yeah. Not sure how gnarly the track will be down. Should be interesting. Pretty cool.
Here we are in Willow Springs doing the Skytrek 4-wheel drive. Last 12 or so kilometres have been a bit more tricky. Actual first 4-wheel driving of the whole trip. Bit of fun. Hey, hi! We don't have a drone. We're going to film this with a drone. A bird, a crow or an eagle took the drone a bit earlier when we were filming a lookout. So here we are on the GoPro. Come back. I think they're gone. That's me done.
Cool.
Get some first time in a small plane for the girls.
It is,
Yeah,
yeah.
I think for us as well maybe. I can't remember if I've been. At Prarie Hotel, where we just had some feral food for lunch. Emu, kangaroo, camel. They're a pretty cool little old pub. An old Garn railway line used to come through here as well. And it is hot, even though it's not summer. It's probably the hottest day we've had so far, I think, on the whole trip. So it is pretty warm.
Amazing
Kids.
lunch we just had.
We just said, yeah, beautiful room.
Emu
Delicious.
cafe.
Girls are so hot, the girls are sitting in the car. Yeah, really cool little town.